from the CPU to the GPU, RAM, storage, motherboard, power supply, and even the case. That means you're in control. You decide the performance, the aesthetics, every little detail that makes this machine yours. Besides, it's often more cost-effective. Pre-built systems come with a premium, but when you're the builder, you decide where to splurge and where to save. And there's something deeply satisfying about seeing a machine you assembled come to life. Let's take a quick tour of the components. The CPU is your system's brain. The GPU renders the stunning graphics, while the RAM keeps your machine swift and responsive. The motherboard ties everything together, the power supply fuels your rig, and the storage houses your games and more. And the case? That's the canvas on which you'll paint your masterpiece. Choosing the right components is a careful balancing act. It's about understanding what you need from your gaming experience and aligning